Hi everybody, Jefferson Valentine here with Culture Cooking. I'm super excited because we're going to be doing a Halloween themed chicken noodle soup. It's going to be a little bit of cool because we're going to be changing the color of the soup and we're going to be making some fresh pasta to go along with this. I hope you guys enjoy the recipe. Let's get cooking. So we have our bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs, our rainbow carrots.
We have garlic, we have rosemary, we have thyme, we have sage, we have bay leaf, we have onion, celery. We also have some chicken bits that are going to go into our soup, some salt for seasoning, and some olive oil for our fat. Let's get to the pasta. Pasta's really simple. We're going to need large egg, flour. We're also going to need some spinach to make it green.
Cut it in half lengthwise. And you want about ½ inch. Get that seasoned. Garlic. Now, we really want this. Salt, teaspoon of pepper. Wrapped it with some butchered twine. This is going to be adding a lot of flavor. 7, 8. You notice it's getting nice and green. Now we're going to go and take out our Bouquet Garnet. So we're going to bring this up to a boil real quick. Use bouillon base. Shred this up. Now you can choose to take out the skin if you want. Noodles. Throw them right in there for about a minute. Don't stop the stirring. It's time to serve. Big helping right there. And ladies and gentlemen, we have our spooky chicken noodle soup. That's perfect. Enjoy, guys.